through a forest quietly enough, and something strange happens. The birds fall silent, a deer bolts, a squirrel freezes, then vanishes. Even animals that have never once been hunted by a human still react to us, like we're one of the deadliest predators alive. But think about it. We have no claws, no fangs, no real speed. Most animals could outrun us without trying. So why does something this harmless-looking trigger this much fear? The answer is that humans aren't just predators. We're something far stranger. Start with a basic rule of nature. Animals that fail to spot danger in time don't survive long enough to pass on their genes. Evolution rewards the cautious. That's why a deer bolts at the first sign of a wolf, and why fish scatter from anything bigger than them. Fear is a survival tool, but humans broke the usual rules of predator and prey. Most predators specialize. Lions target specific prey. Owls hunt small mammals. Humans have hunted almost everything. Mammals, birds, fish, even animals many times our size. Very few species have ever been safe from us. And we don't hunt like other predators. A lion hunts when it's hungry, and it has limits. Humans attack from a distance, set traps, hunt in coordinated groups, chase prey for hours, and eventually built tools that let us kill animals that could have beaten us in a fair fight. To the rest of the animal kingdom, we became almost impossible to predict. Scientists call this the super predator effect. In one study, researchers played recordings in the wild, a wolf's howl, a bear's growl, a human voice. Animals showed caution at the wolf, more at the bear. But the human voice triggered the strongest reaction of all. Some abandoned their food instantly and fled. Why? Because throughout history, we've been extraordinarily deadly. When humans first reached North America, the continent was home to giant ground sloths, mammoths, and mastodons, animals that had never faced a threat like us. Not long after, many of them vanished. Human hunting is believed to have played a major role. The same pattern repeats across continents. Wherever humans arrived, extinctions spiked like never before. Evolution remembers that. But it's not only instinct. Animals learn fast, too. A deer doesn't need thousands of years of evolution. One close call is enough. Crows recognize individual human faces and pass that knowledge to other crows. Elephants can tell dangerous humans apart by scent, sound, and appearance alone. Animals aren't born fearing us. They gather evidence, and the evidence rarely reassures them. Here's the striking part. The fear doesn't disappear even where hunting has stopped. Inside protected reserves, animals that have never been harmed by a human still stay cautious, because fear is cheap. Running for no reason costs little. Failing to run when the danger is real can cost everything. Evolution favors better safe than sorry, and humans made that list permanently. There's one more reason we unsettle wildlife. Most predators target the weak. Humans don't. We've hunted the strongest animals just as readily, and beyond hunting, we reshape entire landscapes, cutting forests, rerouting rivers, filling the world with noise and light. To many animals, we're not just a predator, we're a force that rewrites the rules of their entire world. In some places, our mere presence changes behavior. No direct encounter needed. Scientists call this the landscape of fear. Animals avoid areas, feed less, stay more alert, or shift their entire schedule simply because we might be near. Some species have even turned nocturnal just to avoid us, yet not every animal fears us equally. Pigeons walk between our feet, squirrels approach park benches, city foxes roam streets at night. Given time, animals learn when we're relatively harmless. Fear adapts. But even these animals keep their limits, move too fast, get too close, and the fear rushes back instantly. Because deep down, caution still pays off. Maybe that's the real reason animals fear us most, not because we're the strongest or the fastest, but because we're the most unpredictable force in the natural world.